Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to do the Mokume-Gane technique for polymer clay. We're going to start by taking 3 to 4 colors and put them in a stack. I use my acrylic roller to stick them together. Next, we'll cut our stack in half and stack on top of each other. Another quick roll to adhere the stacks together. Trim the stack to make clean, even edges all around. Next, we will take a couple of cutters and use them to create patterns inside the block. You can use any cutters you want for this. Press the cutter into the clay at varying depths and angles. After 5 to 6 presses of the first cutter, we'll press and roll our block of clay back together. Then repeat the process with the second cutter. Once again, reshape the block by using your hands and acrylic roller. Now comes the fun part, slicing layers of clay from our block. We're going to slice at varying depths and angles to reveal the cool patterns you created. Once the block is sliced completely, arrange the slices however you like and roll with your acrylic roller to stick them together. I put mine through the pasta machine to get the desired thickness. If you don't have one, you can use depth guides and your acrylic roller to achieve the same result. Cut your slab using the desired cutter for your project. Look at that beautiful skeleton pool we got today. Bake on a parchment paper lined baking sheet according to your clay brand's instructions. To finish these earrings, I first clean them with rubbing alcohol before applying resin. I've had the best luck with Sana UV resin. I get mine from Amazon and I've linked it below in the supply list. We'll use a lighter to pop the bubbles in our resin and then cure fully under a UV light, approximately 10 minutes for these. Once we're done curing, we attach our findings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tag us on social media so we can see your beautiful creations. We'll see you soon.